Here's how to make Indian style potato fry. Boil the potatoes until they are just tender, cooked through but not mushy. Once cooled, peel the potatoes and cut them into medium sized cubes. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them splutter, then add cumin, dried red chilies and curry leaves. Add sliced onions and saute until they turn soft and transparent. Add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Lower the flame and add turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Mix quickly to bloom the spices. Now add the boiled potatoes and gently toss to coat them evenly with the masala. Fry on medium heat, stirring occasionally until the potatoes turn crisp and golden, just like how it's shown here. Sprinkle garam masala and fresh coriander, then give it a nice final toss. And that's it, crispy golden potato fry ready to be served. It goes well with rice, roti or just on its own. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.